We got to get this thing set up because we need to start milling some wood.
We're going to start milling some wood.
It's very exciting.
Good morning. Welcome back.
Yeah, today is sawmill building day.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
It's unboxing day. We've had it for a while.
Yeah.
So we had picked up this trailer deck for a steal of a deal.
Yeah. It used to be a
Camping trailer, mobile home.
Trailer like the one we have up the hill there. Yeah. And it's nice and long, appropriately sized to fit the length of wood we're going to put on the sawmill.
Right.
We bought the deck extension to be able to saw longer logs than what it comes
feet.
with. What 6 feet, I think, is what it comes with.
No, 10.
Is it? Oh, it's 6 foot extensions?
Yep.
So 10 feet, and then we can add 6 more feet to it.
Yep.
A 6 foot extension. And yeah, so we needed something at least 16 feet long plus the length of the actual mill itself.
The decking of the trailer has, holes in it for like air vents and electrical and plumbing.
Mm-hmm.
So what we did was we bought 3/4 inch ply and we put it down on top to cover all those holes, just so that we can not fall in said holes.
And we're waterproofing it. So that's what we're doing today, is we have to waterproof paint the last 3 pieces down the far end there, and
then we're gonna let that cure up a little bit, and then we'll be back to unbox the sawmill.
We got to get this thing set up because we need to start milling some wood.
We're gonna start milling some wood.
It's very exciting. We've already got our trees ready to go. We have our tractor now, which is ready to go. What are you doing? Hunter.
Hi, pup.
Oh, you silly dog. You're all wet. Yuck.
Don't walk down there, please.
Ah! Here.
Good boy.
Get down.
We need to level the trailer. We literally just parked it here.
Oh, it's like super low on that back end. I don't even know how we're going to be able to do that, but sure.
Yeah.
Are we planning on keeping it here?
I don't think so.
Okay.
I don't think so. I would even say we should bring it down the back.
But you don't want to mill all the wood down there.
We could, though. It's on a trailer. We can move it anywhere.
You want to drive the trailer down, like back it down the driveway?
Yeah, sure, why not?
All right.
I got.
Okay, well, it's still touching, so come see.
And we're definitely not stable.
Oh, no. No, you gotta put stuff underneath.
That is unfortunate.
Okay, hold up. Okay, level check. And that's almost perfect.
So how's it going across now?
Like this way? Perfect.
Beautiful.
Still?
Okay. So, we moved the trailer to a more level position on the property. It is definitely not level, so we have leveled the trailer as much as we can.
Yeah.
In the space that we have.
Yeah.
With the materials that we have.
But it's definitely not a position where we can load any logs onto the trailer. So,
this is just for us to build the sawmill, so that way the sawmill is level.
On the trailer, yeah.
And then every time we go to move the trailer or position the sawmill, it will be level. Then we just have to level the trailer out. Because it's not gonna be. That's what I'm saying.
Why do you keep doing air quotes? I don't
Because
understand.
it's not going to be level. It's going to be level.
Level-ish.
That's right, level-esque. We're in the mind frame of it being level.
We are?
Kinda. So
Okay, sure.
so we're positioned. I mean, we're as stable as we're gonna get it. The front end is 4 feet in the air, so.
Yeah, so can you hop up there and show me exactly how stable
I can show you
the
right
trailer
here.
is?
Yeah.
No, because we need to go and stand on there for the rest of the day, like building this machine. So
Well, all right.
I'd like to not, say fall off.
Well, and
I probably won't worry about it, eh? Oh, this is super awesome.
yeah, super not stable.
No, not even close.
No.
Yeah, this is going to take longer than we thought. That should be the dog, right?
That's the dog.
Crashed
He
through the
is
forest over there?
going to town. What was that?
My lips were dry.
Oh, he heard it though.
Yeah.
Oh no, he didn't. He's chasing a squirrel. That turned him.
Where's he going?
The longest way possible.
Come here, bud.
So, yeah, this is.
You're a good boy.
I could knock this trailer over right now.
Yeah. So I wonder if maybe the jacks, because they're this way, that they need to be this way, and that will make them more stable.
No.
It's not. It's the block underneath them.
Well, yeah, it's.
The fact that it's just randomly sitting on a couple of stones, perched precariously on a couple of rocks. Here's a question for our friends in the audience. Are the jacks more stable sideways like this, or are they more stable the other way? Let us know in the comments. If you've used these butterfly jacks in the past, just because that's part of the challenge I think that we have, is that we've used them on the trailers before, but not like this, not 10 feet in the air. I feel like your piece of wood isn't going to be stable there, baby. You're setting yourself up for disaster. Hi, bud. You're soaking wet. The forest is wet today, huh? Hello, baby. You're all wet everywhere. Everything's all wet.
It doesn't matter. Because now it's just not stable the other way. What? Okay, so let's see.
I'm gonna get wet climbing up there.
It's the exact same.
Sketch, babe, sketch.
Yep.
But for real, what is this right here? Okay, it's still August. Yes, we live a lot farther north than we used to, but just this one branch of this maple tree is gone.
And then those branches up there.
That one there, and there's one red one over here too in the back. Oh,
And then those branches right over here. But yeah, it's August. It's not September, it's not October.
Yeah. October, everything will be in full.
Yeah, it should be falling by October, but
Yeah, like, full color changing mode in October, but I am worried about what the indication of this is in August. Because if this is an indication that the W word, which I don't want to say,
that's right.
and the S word, that I also don't want to say, may come early and or strongly.
Yes. Yes.
Which means extra
Harshly
of the C word, which I also don't want to say. Although I am a little chilly right now.
What? No, it's
That's
perfect.
not the right C word, but it's the more extreme version of that.
So,
All right. So let's build this. Where's the book? How do we do this? What's the parts that we need to start with?
well, we need to put together the first 2 sets of rails.
It's like 75 bolts each.
Yeah. L brackets.
They're called rail stops.
Carriage stops, actually.
I'm just kidding. I'm not actually going to keep that. Oh, hello, Hunter baby. Why are you like You're a crazy dog. Now die.
Thank you. Why is it getting faster and more aggressive?
You needed some dog hair in the face, didn't you?
Always.
What do those do?
Hey?
What do those do?
It stops the carriage from coming off the tracks.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah.
What's the next step?
We look at the instruction manual.
The other side. Is that cactus?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, that's gonna hurt. Oh.
Oh. Thank you,
Shady.
tiny cloud. Tiny cloud.
Oh, that's a puddle.
It's the one that got my whole shoe earlier.
It got my whole leg.
Oh. I did warn you of it.
Am I through?
No.
Am I in yet?
No. Well. It's going. You need a rubber one though.
Yeah.
You damaging it?
Probably.
Okay, well then give it a push.
Oh.
Magical. Great job. You're good.
Jeez.
Probably fine for now.
Okay,
Okay,
so
so the wheels go on the inside, which means I'm holding yours and you're holding mine,
right.
I think. The question is where...
The wheels go on the inside?
Yeah, can you...
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then it's one of these and it goes...
Right there.
Okay. So you're going to take this,
Okay.
turn it around.
So it goes like this.
Wheels go on the inside.
So it's the opposite way.
No.
Yeah? This part here is supposed to be facing up towards the cylinder
Okay,
there.
then that goes on that side then?
Yeah.
That's what you're saying? Okay, that's fine.
That's what we're saying here.
You want to do that for one first?
Well, it's easier to
Okay.
do this one. Okay, but what bolts do we need?
It says it right there on the picture, darling.
M12 80 millimeter.
So the long ones. Is there a code? Because there should be... Because all of the stuff that was in the box over there has like codes on it. What does it say? M12 by 80?
Yeah.
Okay, let me look.
Okay. And washers as well.
And washers.
M12 washers.
This is M12 by 80.
Yep. That's the one.
Okay. What are the washers? M12 flat washers?
Yep.
Okay, there's a whole crap ton in here.
Okay.
Technical term.
Well, and we should need nuts too. M12 lock nut.
Okay. Sure, why don't I just go back for those?
Okay.
This bag, oops. M12 lock nut. There we go. This one.
stand upright. Yep.
Wow.
Sawmill unboxing day.
I don't know how much unboxing there will be because it's sort of falling apart. We can put stuff on. Look at all those berries on that tree right there.
Those are the choking cherries. Choke cherries.
Just choke cherries.
Choke cherries.
They're not choking.
Ah.
They're choke cherries.
Right, and they look quite ripe. Like they look good to go.
Can you jump up there and do a little thing of that choking cherry right now?
It's a choke cherry. Choke cherry. No one is choking.
And what are you doing?
There is a burr inside my pants.
That was like the weirdest thing.
Yeah.
You just like,
It was stabbing me.
I understand, but wow. Okay.
Ow.
I don't know how much of that was just on camera, but that's going to be the outtakes right there. So it was on the inside of your pocket?
It was on the inside of my pants, like up here. Yeah, I don't know how, but whatever. Okay. So.
Okay, so you're going to come up here and help me take this, tip it out? Ah! Why are you laughing? You literally should not be laughing. That was a big spider. Oh. Ah. It's huge.
Yeah, do you want to show the people how huge that spider is?
I don't. Guys, this thing is massive. Massive.
Are you sure you won't be able to see what you think is massive?
that a good thing for you?
Suppose so.
Okay, well now you get to kill that.